Nanny! I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute Christmas ice cream. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see popsicle ice cream and popsicle stick. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the popsicle. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the bottom of the paper and draw horizontal line. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw upside down letter U. Big letter U. Oh, you're doing great. Now let's draw popsicle stick. In the middle over here I draw two vertical lines and connect them with curve. Oh yes, I like your line. Now let's draw Santa. On the top of the popsicle, let's draw small circle. Then let's draw a Christmas hat. Over here we draw two curves, the first and the second. Then let's draw a big oval for nose. I like your nose, it's so cute. Now let's draw a head. I start over here and draw a curve to the up. And let's draw the same step on the left side. Then let's draw two dots for eyes, the first and the second, and a little U shape for smile under the nose. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw a beard. I start over here and draw a curve to the down on the left side, and let's draw the same step on the right side. I start over here and draw a curve and go to the down. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's add a belt. Draw two vertical lines on the left side over here and on the right side. Then let's draw a wavy line under the popsicle. Oh, I like your wavy line. You're doing great. Our drawing is almost ready. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. I choose pink and add the blush. Draw a circle under the left eye and color it. And let's draw the same step on the right side. I draw a circle under the right eye and color it. Then I choose beige for skin. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. Then I choose red for Christmas hat. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Then let's color this part of clothes. Brown for belt, chocolate belt on the left side and on the right side. Then I choose beige again for popsicle stick, beige and brown for wood texture, and draw a wavy lines inside. Oh, you're doing great! I like your texture. Wow, what a wonderful ice cream! It's so tasty! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!